Pooja here. Hope you are all fine. It's been a long time that I'm connecting with you today, and I also know that you forgot the basic knowledge. So don't worry, I'm here to teach you some basic knowledge in a tricky and magical way. There is a thought, and good start lays in good foundation when the race is just on. So just like that, we'll start the session with a funny and magical way. So today's topic is learning tricky table, that is table in a tricky manner. So come, let's get started.
Childrens, are you not able to remember the tables and to give quick answer to the multiplication? If yes, then I will teach you to solve this problem. Writing first table is too easy. You just need to write numbers from 1 to 10. That's all. Coming to second table, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Like this, you need to use count and write trick method. Hope you are understanding. I request parent to sit beside the kid and make them help in understanding the trick. Follow the same procedure till 9th table. Coming to 10th table, I am just writing numbers from 1 to 10 and adding zeros to the RHS side. And from 11th to 20th table, I am using new trick. For this, we have to write the tables for both the digit. See how I am writing now. Table of 1 once and again table of 1. Students, you need to write the single digit numbers as it is. See how I am writing. Hope you are understanding. Now it's a tricky part. When it comes to double digit number, we need to add the first two digits, that is 10 and 10. Adding 10 to 1, we will get 11 and keeping 0 as it is. This is a trick. You need to remember it and follow the same trick throughout. Using the same trick, you can write a table from 11 to 20 by your own. Learning maths is fun once if it is understood. I have written the tables for both 1 and 2. Now I am keeping the single digit as it is. See, 3, 6, 4, 8. 5 plus 1, that is 6, and keeping 0 as it is. Adding 1 to 6, we will get 7 and keeping 2 as it is. I hope you are understanding. If so, take a pen and paper and try to write by your own using the same trick. I just showed till 13 because same procedure follows. If you are curious about getting answer and if you are confident about what you understood, don't wait. Go try immediately after the session ends. Coming to 20th table, I am just writing the table of 2 and after that I am gonna add 0 to the RHS side. So we will get exactly what we expect. I hope you are feeling interested. Now it's time to wind up the session. Thanks for watching. Bye.